Ah yes, 40 pairs of shoes for 3 days should be just enough. Actually, one more. Okay. Perfect. This would be a lot funnier if I was kidding, but I'm not. I literally have to go buy a bigger luggage, like, right after this. Anyways, what is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. It's your host, Dr. Amber Scholl, PhD in Extra, with a minor in sucking at packing. But seriously, I'm the absolute worst packer I have ever met in my entire life. Everything from makeup, socks, basic necessities. If you can name it, I've forgotten it. But never shoes. I always remember the shoes. So today I thought I'd go ahead and film my packing adventure because I am literally leaving the continent tomorrow. My dream vacation to Australia! I screamed so loud in this clip I had to cut the audio out, but needless to say, I'm excited. So, anyways, compose myself here so I can film this video. Since my flight is in literally less than 24 hours, I need to start packing. So, without further ado, here we go. How not to pack for vacation. Featuring yours truly, the worst packer ever. Tip numero uno. Don't wait until the day before your trip to buy a luggage. This one seems obvious, but I did it. Tupperware and your 10,000 shopping bags won't do the trick on a plane, honey buns, so buy a luggage ahead of time. If you insist on waiting till the day before like me to order one on Amazon, at least read the dimensions of what you're ordering. Otherwise, you will end up with tiny luggage McGee who only fits one pair of shoes. Don't worry, you can order his big brother and rush shipping, but still, it's much easier to just avoid that situation from the beginning. Like, remember when you accidentally ordered the perfume bottle that was only 1 inch tall? Oh, Amber, when will you learn? Numero dos, make sure your clothes are clean. This seems like it'd be simple enough, but alas, I have procrastinated doing my laundry for way longer than should be allowed, and now all I have is piles of dirty clothes to pack. Oops. I mean, I guess you could just pack the dirty clothes, but you don't want to get there and just have a bunch of stained clothing options, so do your laundry beforehand! Not the day before you leave the continent. Next tip, don't forget about things you actually need. I know it seems like you need that glittery dress you've never worn and possibly the piano stool, but really, you don't. What you do need are the things you actually need. Like underwear, which, where did all of mine go? I don't know, but I just had to go to Victoria's Secret to buy some, so I had some for this trip. I'll have to keep better track of these so I don't lose them for the next one. Next tip on the list, print your travel docs ahead of time. I literally hate going to the print centers, but it looks like I'm stuck going to the print center because the last printer I had, well, let's just say it had an accident. This tweet is a true story. I literally was on the phone with tech when I opened my printer only to discover there was somehow a thong inside. Maybe that's where all my underwear went. Next tip, don't try to pack all of your shoes. Just some of them. I never listen to this rule. I always try to pack all of them, and honestly, it's fine. More the merrier. You never know which ones you're gonna want, but the only problem is when you try to pack the things that you actually need, like a toothbrush, none of it fits. Next tip, don't wait till the last possible minute to buy a refill of your makeup when you know you've already been almost out of it for weeks. Why do you do this, Amber? Why? Every girl knows that once your makeup has nothing in it, you can still scrape like 2 to 3 days out of it. But not 2 weeks like you've been trying to do, so it's just not possible anymore. And now instead of cleanly packing up your makeup into a travel case, we're at Sephora wasting valuable packing time. But at least it's fun in here, so it's fine. Next tip, don't randomly decide you want to hang curtains in your apartment and waste half the day doing that. The closest Bed Bath & Beyond is 40 minutes away. Why are we going there? I don't know. But since I suck at time management, I decided we were gonna do this today anyway, and ooh, honestly, it looks great. I'm not even mad. Another fun tip, don't lose your driver's license the week before you leave the country. Yep, true story. I lost my driver's license last week. I have no idea where it went, but I discovered it was missing out at a bar with my friends and had to Google myself to get in, which I thought that was pretty creative and also really funny that it actually worked, but something tells me TSA and Border Patrol probably wouldn't have been as chill, so don't do that. So finally, as my mom would say, make a list. Lists are great for keeping track of things and staying on track. I wouldn't really know because I don't usually keep lists, and by not usually keep lists, I mean I never keep lists, but for a trip across the globe, I figured it would definitely probably come in handy and keep me from bringing things I don't need. There's hot boys in Australia. You don't need that. Next tip, you don't need 10 outfits for every day. You just need 1, or maybe 2, but not 10. Like I'm going to the beach, so I don't really need that glittery gown. I need a bikini and some shorts and some sneakers. And a fur coat. Wait, what? No, you don't need a fur coat. Amber, put that back. Save it for dancing in front of your mirrors or a lookbook or something. Okay, I know this is a lost cause. Whatever. Just take it. So there you have it, you guys. That is how not to pack for vacation. Honestly, funny story. This was actually going to be a vlog, but I realized when I started doing it that I was missing half the stuff that I needed, and I didn't even own a luggage that was like properly suited to film this. So that's why it turned into this weird little video. So I hope you enjoyed that little mockery of my own self. Hopefully someone can relate to my horrible packing skills, right? Yeah, I'm the only one. No, please don't tell me that. Okay, anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you beautiful babes in Australia. I am so excited. You guys know I've been dying to go to Australia for like basically my entire life. So I can't wait. Since the trip was so last minute, I'm not doing an official meetup or anything, but I will be at the Royal Botanic Gardens in Sydney on Sunday from 4:30 to 5:30. So if you want to pop in and say hi, I'll be there with my friends taking Insta pictures for like an hour. So go ahead, swing on in if you want to say aloha. I know that's Hawaii, but you know, tropical. I'll be vlogging the trip too, so stay tuned for those videos coming to a YouTube screen near you. I love you guys so very much. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more fun shenanigans. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. See you soon, Australia. XO. Okay, but I actually really don't know how to pack, so this is just gonna have to do. Mostly because I stayed up all night editing this video instead of actually packing, so we have no choice. But I'm ready for you, Australia boys. I'm ready.